There's something comforting about a tea kettle on the stove, whether you're boiling water to make a cup of tea or brew French press coffee. It's a kitchen essential to reach for daily, for hot cocoa, oatmeal, cup noodles, and more, which is why it's important to have one that stands up to everyday use. To find the best tea kettles, we researched a variety of stovetop and electric options, factoring in considerations like material, capacity, and features. We also spoke to Rishi Deb, master blender at Twinings, and Piotr Miga, director of quality and tea sommelier at Tea Forte. If you're stuck on whether to get a stovetop or electric kettle, one is not necessarily better than the other. It all comes down to preference, Deb says, as the whole process of making a cup of tea is a personal experience to be enjoyed. To get you started, we spent hours researching the best tea kettles on the market, plus what to consider when shopping for one, and how to prevent and clean limescale. Number 1. OXO Brew Classic Tea Kettle. Sometimes simplicity is best. The OXO Brew Classic Tea Kettle has a brushed stainless steel design that looks sleek and sophisticated, as well as silicone touch points on the handle and spout to keep your fingers safe from hot surfaces. It has a large opening, so you can fill it without adjusting it at odd angles, although the lid can be a bit tricky to open. One of the best parts of this kettle is the handle, which flips down and out of the way when you need to fill or stow away the kettle. It's also very easy to hold, which is good news since the 1.7 quart capacity means that it can get heavy if filled all the way. It heats quickly compared to other stovetop kettles, and the loud whistle will let you know when your water is ready. Number 2. Caraway Whistling Tea Kettle. You may have spotted Caraway's cookware in your Instagram feed, or as the number 1 pick on our list of tested ceramic cookware sets, but what you may not know is that the DTC brand also makes a tea kettle in the same colorful, ceramic-coated stainless steel. The Whistling Tea Kettle has a modern design, is compatible with all stove types, and is finished with a free ceramic coating for a unique, and colorful, look. It also comes with a pot holder you can use to grab the handle or place it on the table for all to admire. Engineered for fast boiling, each 2-quart tea kettle is built with a stainless steel body and coated in non-toxic ceramic. It can be used on any type of stovetop including induction, gas, and electric. Number 3. Cosori Electric Gooseneck Kettle. When you need slow, steady, and precise water flow for making tea or pour over coffee at home, turn to the Cosori Electric Gooseneck Kettle, which has a specially designed spout that evenly pours at a 90-degree angle. Choose from 5 presets to get the perfect temperature for your hot beverage, including white, 170 degrees Fahrenheit, green, 180 degrees Fahrenheit, oolong, 195 degrees Fahrenheit, coffee, 205 degrees Fahrenheit, and boil black, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The 0.8-liter capacity should give you about 3 cups hot water in just 3 to 5 minutes, and the carafe's hold temp feature will keep it warm for up to 60 minutes. This kettle beeps 3 times when your water is up to temp, but you can shut that off by holding down the hold temp button for 8 seconds if you don't want to hear the alert. That said, the beep is very quiet, and some actually wish it were a bit louder. For safety features, this product has boil dry protection and automatic shutoff after boiling or when the kettle is lifted. While both colorways have a food-grade stainless steel inner, you can choose from a matte black or stainless steel outer. Number 5. Le Creuset Classic Whistling Kettle. If you're already a fan of Le Creuset, the brand's classic tea kettle will be a great addition to your collection. This steel kettle has a classic design but is made with lightweight carbon steel and glazed with rich colors like cerise, flame, and Caribbean, making it something you won't mind leaving on the stove to show off. There are markings inside the kettle to let you know the minimum and maximum water levels, so it's super easy to use, and it's compatible with all cooktops. The handle folds down and the whistle flips up when you're ready to pour. When your water has reached a boil, the kettle will emit a single-tone whistle, just beware that it's quite loud. Precise pouring. The Cosori's precision pour spout is designed for the optimal pour-over flow rate. The counterbalanced handle helps keep your pour steady, moves the center of mass back towards your hand, encouraging a more comfortable, slower pour. Quick heating. The 1200 watts of power boils a full kettle in just 3 to 5 minutes, meaning you can enjoy a cup of coffee in no time. Stop wasting your time in front of the microwave or stove. Number 5. Medelco Café Brew Glass Whistling Kettle. Glass kettles are not only an attractive addition to your stovetop, but they're functional, too. You can see exactly how much water is in the pot and when your water is boiling, and you won't get any aftertaste as you might with other materials, or an old kettle. This Medelco Café Brew Glass Kettle will hold up to 12 cups of water, and it's a cinch to clean. You can easily wipe it down or just put it on the top rack of the dishwasher. In terms of safety, you'll have to take extra care when handling this kettle. The plastic handle will get hot to the touch and potentially melt if the flame is too high, so be sure to use oven mitts when handling it and place it on a smaller burner to boil. Safety meets style. Crafted from heat-resistant shot Durand borosilicate glass, our 12-cup whistling tea kettle combines safety and style. It's not just lead-free and BPA-free, it's also dishwasher top rack safe for easy cleaning. Versatile compatibility. This glass tea kettle isn't just a showstopper, it's a workhorse too. It's compatible with gas, electric, and glass cooktops, ensuring it fits seamlessly into your kitchen setup. Plus, we include a steel heat diffusing trivet for electric range use. Number 6. OXO Brew Cordless Glass Electric Kettle. You can watch your water boil in this OXO kettle made from stainless steel and borosilicate glass. The easy-to-read measurements on the carafe include markings from 0.5 to 1.7 liters, allowing you to get up to 7 cups of water per kettle. The LED switch turns on when it's in use and off when the water has come to a boil. There are no auditory alerts. The kettle will automatically power down at this point, too. When you remove the kettle from the 360-degree swivel base, it becomes completely cordless, and when you pour, the soft open lid prevents splatter and steam from rushing out. One common complaint seems to be that it's difficult to get your hand inside for cleaning. If you have small hands, you should be alright, but it may be best to get a dish brush just in case. Number 7. Chantal Classic Tea Kettle. Chantal has been making tea kettles for 40 years, with little change to their classic design. The Chantal Classic Tea Kettle has a flat, wide base for quick heating and an attractive wire loop handle. It also has a 2-tone harmonica whistle to let you know when your water is ready and a hinged flip for pouring. This tea kettle has a shiny enamel coating and comes in several different hues to add a pop of color to your kitchen. Even though the handle is stainless steel, the kettle comes with a Stay Cool handle sleeve for safe handling. Elegant and durable, the OXO Brew Cordless Electric Kettle boils water faster than the microwave and safer than the stovetop. Features include auto shut-off, Stay Cool handle, easy-to-read measurement markings and a soft open lid. The kettle heats on a 360-degree swivel base, is cord-free when removed from the base and has an insulated bottom for easy transport. Note, voltage is 120 volts/60 Hz. Number 8. Alessi Kettle. This Alessi kettle looks more like a decorative art piece than a tea kettle as it was designed by architect Michael Graves. It's made with a shiny stainless steel, has a wide bottom to heat water more quickly, and has a blue handle that stays cool. The piece de resistance, though, is the bird-shaped red whistle on top of the spout that will brighten up your stove. The lid and the whistle can both be replaced. It opened the way for the playful design style that subsequently characterized the 90s, and thanks to an inspired mix of postmodern and pop idioms, it has become one of the internationally recognized icons of the 80s. Still the best seller since its introduction, the kettle is actually the product that has sold the greatest number of units in the history of the company. Body is in 18/10 stainless steel with handle and whistling bird and PA. Both whistling bird and lid can be replaced.